Stop making the excuse that you don't have time to make social media videos to promote your business. There's always time for anything that's important. If a colleague called you up right now and said, hey, our 10 most important prospects are all going to be in town tomorrow at the Hilton Hotel, we can give them a pitch at 9 a.m. for 15 minutes, you'd figure out a way of doing that. It would become a priority. It would motivate you. You'd rearrange your schedule. Well, guess what? You can speak to the 10 most important prospects in your industry tomorrow if you create videos that can be shared around the world. Instead of 10, maybe you're speaking to 10,000 of them. Part of the problem with video, online video, on-demand video is, well, it can be seen anytime, which means you can make it anytime. But you're never going to get today back. Every day that goes by, your competitors are beating you because they are making videos, sharing their expertise, their insights to the world. If you're just sitting back saying, well, I'll get around to it when the schedule isn't quite as crowded. I've got travel coming up, so after that'll be better. We got the holidays coming up. I'll start making videos in the new year. Guess what? You will never make a social media video. It'll be like approaching the horizon. You'll never get there because no matter how far you walk, it's always a little bit further away. Stop making excuses. Start making video, sharing your insights with the world.